Plant-based diets and respiratory conditions. Respiratory conditions, such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, are prevalent health issues affecting millions of people worldwide. The impact of diet on respiratory health has gained significant attention in recent years, prompting researchers to investigate the potential benefits of plant-based diets. A plant-based diet primarily comprises fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts, while minimizing or eliminating the consumption of animal products. So let's explore the relationship between plant-based diets and respiratory conditions by examining the potential advantages, such as reduced inflammation and better lung function, as well as the limitations and challenges associated with these dietary choices. One of the primary advantages of a plant-based diet concerning respiratory conditions is its potential to reduce inflammation. Certain plant-based foods, such as fruits and vegetables, are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. By consuming these foods, individuals may reduce the levels of systemic inflammation in their bodies, offering potential relief for chronic inflammation associated with respiratory conditions. This is particularly important for individuals with asthma, as inflammation in the airways can contribute to recurring symptoms and exacerbations. In addition to combating inflammation, plant-based diets have been shown to improve lung function, benefiting individuals with respiratory conditions. Various studies have examined the effects of plant-based diets on spirometry tests, which measure lung capacity and airflow. Research has shown that individuals following plant-based diets have better lung function, including increased forced vital capacity, FVC, and forced expiratory volume in 1 second, FEV1, compared to those consuming animal-based diets. These findings suggest that plant-based diets may enhance lung health and respiratory function. Despite these potential advantages, there are limitations and challenges associated with adopting a plant-based diet for individuals with respiratory conditions. Plant-based diets can be restrictive and may require careful planning to ensure adequate intake of essential nutrients like protein, iron, and calcium, which are typically abundant in animal products. Without proper education and guidance, individuals may unintentionally compromise their nutrition, which could further exacerbate respiratory symptoms. Therefore, it is essential for individuals considering a plant-based diet to consult a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to ensure proper nutrient intake. Moreover, certain plant-based foods, such as soy, nuts, and citrus fruits, can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals with respiratory conditions like asthma. These individuals should be cautious when introducing new foods into their diet and monitor their reactions carefully. It is crucial to recognize that while plant-based diets may have specific benefits, they are not a universal solution for all respiratory conditions, and individual responses may vary. In conclusion, plant-based diets offer potential advantages for individuals with respiratory conditions, including reduced inflammation and improved lung function. The anti-inflammatory properties of plant-based foods can help alleviate chronic inflammation associated with respiratory conditions. Moreover, better lung function, as measured by spirometry tests, has been observed in individuals following plant-based diets. However, adopting a plant-based diet may pose challenges due to its restrictive nature and potential allergenic foods. Proper education, guidance, and individualization of the diet are vital to ensure adequate nutrient intake and minimize allergic reactions. Ultimately, the decision to adopt a plant-based diet should be made in consultation with healthcare professionals, taking into consideration an individual's specific respiratory condition and nutritional needs. I hope this information on plant-based diets and respiratory conditions was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For tips and topics on being vegan, vegan diets, vegan recipes, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat.